Let's take a look at reporting. Through Viewfinity Privilege Management, we've given end users a wide variety of permissions back, and through the audit trail we'll find out how they've used those permissions. First we'll look at the summary reports, which will give us a couple different reports. First we want to look at what policies are active within our environment. Those green check marks on the left hand side will indicate that all policies currently are active in our environment. Any of these reports can be exported off in PDF, Excel, or Word. To find out how the policies are actually being used, we're going to go ahead and look at policy usage. And this report will tell us exactly how these policies are being used. In the case of block programs, we can see this is used on one computer and it's occurred 2 times. Drilling into that report, we can see it's my Windows 7 GPO machine, and we're blocking the CCleaner installation. We can also look at policy usage directly through the snap-in itself. Here we can see all the events that have occurred in the last day, yesterday, anything older than a week. If I double click on any of these events, we'll get more details about this, such as the computer, the policy name that was triggered, who that user was, full path of the executable, and the last time this was executed. We can also do audit videos. These videos will show us exactly what's occurred on the desktop when the user was running with administrator permissions. Here's an example of capturing the desktop while an end user was running Process Monitor. Through the Revision History tab, we can also monitor exactly what the Viewfinity administrators are doing within the snap-in. You can see here, for example, I had modified, created, activated, and deactivated the block policy, and modified my collect automation events. When I drill down into this particular one, we can see color-coded between green and red what items have been changed within the policy. It's important to note just once again that all this reporting and everything that we saw previously in the inbox is all being gathered without a separate database being required.